Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, welcome. So today I want to dockerize an Nginx web server. I'm going to dockerize the Nginx web server, then push to GitHub repo. Yes, I copied some files from GitHub, so you're going to see a landing page in action. First, I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a Docker file. Let's create a Docker file. Yes, my first line from from Ubuntu latest. So Ubuntu is my base image here. Ubuntu is my base image. In the next line, I'm going to run apt-get update, apt-get update, and apt-get upgrade. Yes. In my next line, I'm going to run apt-get install. I want to install Nginx. Yes, so -y to install Nginx. Wow. Writing the scripts can be so fun. And in my next line, I want to expose port 80. Yes, I want to expose port 80. Then this line, wow, cmd line, Nginx -g, then daemon off. Let's keep going. Writing the script can be so fun. Let's keep going. Now let's bring out our terminal. I'm bring out my terminal here. Bring out my terminal and start coding. Now my first line is going to be docker build -t. Yes, to build my image, docker build -t. I'm going to give my image a name. I'm going to give it my Nginx image. That's the name I'm giving my image, my Nginx image. So let's wait for it to build. Waiting for it to build. I made a mistake here. I didn't add dots, so yes, I added dots now. Let's run it again. Let me see. Yes. So when we are building our image, don't forget dots. If not, it's not going to run. It's going to leave you. So now I want to run my container with docker run -b 80 and port 80, and that same image, the name of that same image, my Nginx image. Now I want to confirm if docker is running here. If Nginx is running here, we need to go and confirm. We need to go to a browser. Yes, go to a browser and type in localhost 8080 to confirm if Nginx is running. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. I didn't not see what I'm looking for here. might just have to go to a new browser, then type in localhost. Okay, now Nginx is running now. Can you see it? Welcome to Nginx. Nginx is running here. This is Nginx. Welcome to Nginx. So it's been confirmed that Nginx is running. Now I told you I copied some files. Yes, I copied the landing page files for landing page from GitHub. So I want to add them here now. I want to add them to this place. So the next, when we click on localhost, when we go to our browser and type in localhost 8080, you see a landing page. You see landing page, not just welcome to Nginx. You see landing page, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to push to my GitHub repo. I'm going to create a GitHub repo and push to my GitHub repo. I hope you understand that. So yes, I put them in my app. So I'm going to copy the folder my app and put inside the same folder where my Docker file is. The name of the folder where my Docker file is Nginx project. So I just copied my app where my web files are, copy them and put into Nginx project. So Nginx project is like the parent folder for both my app and my Docker file. So now I have my app in my, can see it in my editor, VS Code. So I'm just going to add a new line, copy my app. Yes, you can see it's my app in VAR. Yes, so I just copied my app into the same folder, then added a new line. If not, it's not going to work. So what I want to do here now, I want to delete everything and start again. Then I'm going to do docker build again here. I'm just going to delete my running images, delete the container, running container too. I'm just doing all this manually so you actually understand. It's not like I can't delete it from the terminal. So I just want to delete and start all over. Run my docker build, then docker run container. Yes, docker build, and I see my Nginx image. Dots. Don't forget. Don't know why I keep forgetting dots. Okay. No, I'm supposed to see my landing page. That's what I'm supposed to see. See my landing page. I just entered a new browser to check. Difficulty here. Just need to confirm my code sometimes. Okay, so that's it. figure out what the problem is. Still trying to figure out. Now this is my landing page. Exactly. This is it. So this. Wow. This is so beautiful. Although it's not mine, yes, I'm not going to claim someone else's work, but yeah, seeing this work actually gives me joy. So my next step now is to create a GitHub repo. I need to create a GitHub repo. I'll give you the name. Just a simple name. Simple name. That's a simple name. And I'm going to make it a public repo. Nginx Docker. Something just very simple. A public repo. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do git. I'm gonna do git init to initialize git. Then I want to use git config. So it doesn't ask who is this person that's trying to do this, who is this person that's trying to push. No, I'm registering my presence. It's my username, my GitHub username, my GitHub email. So I'm going to do git add dot to add all these files. I should do git commit, then add a message that's gonna show. After I'm done committing, I want to do git remote add origin. Then there's a URL I'm supposed to copy from my GitHub. Yes, this URL that's here. Copy it and paste it after origin. Now it's time to push. Let's push this code to GitHub repo. Come on, let's do this. Push it. It's time to push. Now you see, it's nothing is here now. But when you push, you see all these files here on GitHub repo. In our GitHub repo. Just watch. If I reload this page, okay. Now let's reload this page. Let's reload this. Can you now see my Docker files here? Can you see it? See my Docker files, see the web file, everything is here, working. It's here, yes, it's working. So that's what I achieved today. First of all, my Docker file dockerized my Nginx. image and I pushed to GitHub repo. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying around to see what I did. See you next time. Thank you.